Hey there, Gareth here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news for all you fiber optic technicians out there. We're introducing the redesigned fiber power meter and optical light source kit. Our part number FPL-5050. This kit provides everything you need to measure power and provide a stable light source for fiber optic cable testing. And now, it comes with some brand new features to make your job even easier. Here's what the kit includes. The FPM-50A fiber optic power meter. It measures wavelengths from 800 to 1700 nanometers with an impressive 0.01 dB resolution. Plus, now it features a color LCD display for crisp, easy to read measurements and a kickstand on the back for hands-free operation. The FPL-50 fiber optic light source. This provides 1310 nanometers or 1550 nanometer wavelengths for a stable light source perfect for single mode fiber measurement. This, of course, was also updated with the color display and the kickstand. Automatic wavelength detection. When paired with Jonard's FPL-50 or FPL-5050, the FPM-50A or the FPM-5050 will automatically detect and adjust to the wavelength and frequency of the light source, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Also included are a rugged carrying case with shoulder strap and 2 protective hard cases which keep these precious tools safe and organized. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.